Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Sapada. Today we are super excited to unbox and review the DYU A5 electric bicycle. If you are into a smart, eco-friendly commuting solution, then this video is for you. Let's get started. First thing first, let's see what's inside the box. The packaging is steady, ensuring the bike arrives in perfect condition. Inside, we have DYU electric bicycle neatly folded. Along with the bike, we have a charger, user manual, and some basic tools for assembly. Everything you need to get started right away. The assembly is straightforward and it takes just a few minutes. The bike comes almost fully assembled, so it's just a matter of attaching the handlebars and pedals. Here it is, the DYU A5 in all its glory. This electric bicycle is a sleek and compact design, perfect for urban commuting. Now, let's dive into the details. First up, let's talk about the speed. The DYU is equipped with 250 watt motor, allowing it to reach to a top speed of 25 km per hour, make it ideal for zipping through city streets. And what about the battery? The DYU A5 comes with a 48 volt lithium ion battery, giving you an impressive range of up to 60 km of a single charge. Charging a battery is very easy and it takes about 4 to 6 hours for a full charge. Plus, the LED display on the handlebar keeps you informed about your speed, distance, and the battery level. One of the standout features of the DYU A5 is the front suspension system. This system can perfectly conquer all kinds of road conditions, making your ride more comfortable and enjoyable. Another great feature is the integrated headlights and horn. The LCD light comes with an on and off switch right on the handlebar, allowing you to ride freely in the dark with ease. Now let's talk about the folding function. The DYU A5's compact design and foldable frame make it super easy to carry and store. Let's fold and unfold it. Riding the DYU A5 is a breeze. It has 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assistance, and a manual pedaling. The 14-inch tires combined with the front suspension provide you a smooth ride. The bike is robust yet lightweight for an e-bike, weighing 22.4 kg. It can support a load capacity for up to 120 kg, making it suitable for all kinds of range of riders. So, what are the pros and cons of the DYU A5? Pros: compact and foldable design, perfect for storage and portability. Good speed range, 250 watt motor and a maximum range of 60 km. User-friendly, easy to assemble. Eco-friendly, zero emission. High load capacity supported up to 120 kg. Front suspension system provides you a comfortable ride on all kinds of road conditions. Integrated light and horn allowing to safe and convenient riding in the dark. Cons: limited top speed. Might be not fast enough for some users. 25 km per hour EU restriction. Charging time takes up to 6 hours for a full charge. Heavier than some competitors, weighing 22.4 kg. In conclusion, the DYU A5 electric bicycle is a fantastic option for anyone looking to make their daily commute more efficient and eco-friendly. With a great range, easy to use, stylish design, high load capacity, comfortable ride thanks to the front suspension system, and the added safety of integrating light and horn, is hard to beat at this price point. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Mr. Sapada for more review and unboxing. See you in the next video. Bye.